Hey guys, Stocko104104 here, and yeah, I know I'm wearing a Darth Vader mask, but don't want to reveal my face yet, so yeah. Now, I've had a I've had a thought about what I should do. I don't know but I haven't really thought of like any motivational speeches yet. So, what I thought I could do for my first actual real video is, since the first one I actually released is rubbish, I thought I should do I thought I should do a top three you really a top three you top a list of top three YouTubers who deserve a golden play button. Now this is a list in my opinion, so don't get mad at me for this, okay? So this is only a list in my opinion. If you have a list of your opinion of who you think should get a golden play button, then list it down below. Also, I will be doing honorable mentions, don't forget. Okay. And I can't show clips because one, I'm on my phone, and two, I'll get copyrighted. So yeah, you're gonna be stuck with me for the whole video. So there's a rather rubbish YouTube play button there, and it's not a YouTube play button, it's a symbol of YouTube. I couldn't really make it because one, I'm rubbish at building in Garry's Mod, and two, the positioning is really hard. So yeah. Anyway, let's begin. Number five, Commander Wolf, or Wolf Wolf Wolf, as most of you know him. So, one of the reasons I think he deserves a golden play button is because he makes some pretty good points in his videos, such as, well, just go watch his videos to find out. One of my favorite things I like about him sometimes is this YouTube series called Clone of the Week, where he discusses a well-known or unknown clone in the battalion. So, and he also brings up some very good points, such as if Denal wasn't killed, what rank would he become? So, that's one of the main reasons why I think Wolf deserves a YouTube play button. He makes some pretty good content. Number four. Right, oh, that was five, sorry. I've had some thought about this one. Not really. Now, coming in at number four is Geetsley. Now, I know what you're thinking. Why are you putting Geetsley at number four? Because, well, Geetsley makes some fun fact videos about Star Wars. And he's been on YouTube for at least a while. I don't know how long he's been on, but the thing is, he explores a lot into the Star Wars universe, such as like the Lore Master. Now, the reason I put him at number four is because he's made some pretty good points about the movie. And the Clone Wars TV show in general. Now, he explores the facts about clone troopers, stormtroopers, Jedi, all that. Yep. Alright. I'm definitely going to get shot for this next one. Number three. Right? No. Number three. Rai99. Yep, I'm going to get attacked for this one. Rai99 is one of those FNAF YouTubers, and I don't hate FNAF, don't worry about that. I've fallen out of context with the series ever since FNAF 4 and Sister Location. Originally, Rai99's channel was an SFM channel, where he made FNAF videos. And I've got to say, they're pretty good. Then it was Geeky Gmod, Zany Gmod, and literally I fell in love with the series. It was a pretty good series. Now, the reason why I put Riot at 3 is because, well, it's not for the lack of him posting. It's because it's because he couldn't just top the next two YouTubers. Alright. Number 2. Number 2 is going to Jacksepticeye. No, Jacksepticeye. Speak English. Jacksepticeye. Yep. Good old Jack. Jack has been a fan favorite for me. He's been a fan favorite for everyone over the years. He's provided humor, comedy, and fun for everyone. Well, almost everyone. He's a really great man who's gone for a lot, and even made friends with lots of YouTubers, as everyone has. However, he couldn't top the number 1 person on the list. But all in all, Jack's a really good guy. Go subscribe to him. Actually, go subscribe to all these YouTubers. They're really good. Honorable mentions. Now, honorable mentions, I have 2. Actually, no, I have 3. So, first one is going to PewDiePie. PewDiePie is one of the funniest. He provides lots of humor, fun, and hangs out with a lot of good people. Unfortunately, I didn't have room to put him on the list. Sorry, Pewds. But still, you're a good guy. Next is the Lawmaster. Lawmaster is almost like Geetsley, except Lawmaster explores more of what happens in universes such as Star Wars. Sadly, I couldn't put him on the list over Geetsley, but yeah, sorry, Lawmaster. And the third honorable mention goes to these people, Scoundrel Cantina. Or Scoundrel's Cantina, sorry if I mispronounced that. Now, these guys, they tell the stories of people we don't know and people we do know. And the main thing I like about them is because they mix the expanded universe and canon. Okay. We also done? Yep, okay. Number 1. The number 1 YouTuber on my list is Markiplier. Yep, Mark takes the top spot. For many reasons. 1, he is the king of Five Nights at Freddy's. 2, he provides lots of humor, which is always needed. Especially... I'm sorry. Especially with comedy videos with people such as Jack, PewDiePie, Cinnamon Toast Ken, and many others. I can't catch my breath. Now, mark up the list is because I have so many reasons to put them up there, but I can't show them all. Now, that's going to be it for my list. So, again, This is my own personal list. This is not, if you love it, good. If you hate it, that's fine. It's fine with me. So, if you have your own list, post it down in the comments. But for now, this is Starkey 104 signing off. And as always, peace.